Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuliso. Ngicela ningakhohlwa ukusubscribe bafethu, simaking sure ukuthi le page noma le channel iyakhula. Asingeneni endabeni zeKaizer Chiefs. Ngifuna ukukhuluma la nge-left back eKaizer Chiefs uBongani Semba bafethu. So le player leli la signwa season meyiqala, abantu baba surprise ukuthi hayibo le player leli la lingadlala eOrlando Pirates noma he didn't play for so long, and then Kaizer Chiefs naki yamsign yabo. Maybe Kaizer Chiefs beyibona i-potential ku-player, but ke i-player alizange idlale ngisho ne-single game ku-Kaizer Chiefs yabo. Now ama-report-ke abuya ku-Far Sport bafowethu, ku-Far Post bathi uBongani Semu seyishile i-Kaizer Chiefs yabona. Bathi-ke uyishiya after-ke ku-surprise surprise signing nanokuthi uKaizer Chiefs angadlali even a single game yabo. So kuthiwa-ke leli i-player number 6 laphana lokuthi lihambe laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, njengoba ama-Soweto Giants ahambise uDove, uShuvaviro, ama-contract wabo vele nawo bewaphela, and then uMdantsane, and then-ke noSabelo naye babahambisile before the start of i-new season yabona. Lo uBlomo singamkhohlwa naye ukuthi ubuyele ethimini yakhe yaku-MLS bafowethu ku-loan spell yabo. USemu-ke umdlalo na-27-ke wajoyina i-Kaizer Chiefs njengoba bengishilo bafowethu last season. Kubonakala ngathi vele uzoyi-revive career yakhe, uzoyivusa. But-ke le signing ya-surprise abantu abaningi ngoba-ke waba ne-limited game time even ku-previous team yakhe yabo. So i-Kaizer Chiefs yathusa abantu ngempela ukuthi imsign yabo. So i-last appearance yakhe lo mdlali lona adlala professional football or professional game boku-2020 December 2023 adlala ku-10 kuBafana Bafana cabanga. So labo ku-against i-first leg against i-Egypt, lapha wagcina ukudlala professional game 2023 bafowethu cabanga isikhathi eside kanje, but i-Kaizer Chiefs yakwazi ukumsayina. So yeah, i-Kaizer Chiefs kuma-recruitment amasha last season yasayina Inasho Miguel, Dodley, Ntwari, Cross, Thabo Cele, Lilepu bam-eda noMorris nawo Edward noSirino. USemu-ke uyakuphela iplayer laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs noMelisha elingakadlali noma elingazange edlale ngisho negame eyodwa laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu. Surprise, asazi ukuthi kwenzakalani, bekungarepotwa ngaye kuthiwa ulimele or kwenzakalani, azange nje adlale isizini yonke. There was a time la ngimbona khona e-FNB Stadium just before i-match i-Kaizer Chiefs senza ama-activation lapha ngaphandle kulezinto lezi ze-Vodacom. Ngasho ukuthi okay, bayabona ukuthi abamdlalisi, but-ke bamconnecta nama-fans, which is very sad for a professional football player ukuthi lingadlali isizini yonke bafethu. Kusho ukuthi nje lapha ku-left back, and bebanokustruggle ku-left back. uDove wayengekho for isikhathi eside, but uSema zange athole ne-opportunity eyodwa. Kusho ukuthi was deemed as i-surplus laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, bebangamboni as umuntu ongabakhipha ehlathini or ongabasiza laphana ku-left back position yabona. So ucoach nabi nje wachuza uCross, wachuza namfana omncane uMakhathi bafethu ukuthi adlale kule position yabo. So lokhu kisiprovile noma kuyasibonisa ukuthi vele akekho kuma plans weKaizer Chiefs yabo. Yeah, even naku Orlando Pirates azange adlale that much ne-loan yakhe, like akaze aba proven player ukuthi uyadlala kakhulu ku-PSL yabo. So uKaizer Chiefs i-contract yakhe naye bafethu, uKaizer Chiefs wasayina i-contract ye-3 years ne with an option ukuthi bangayi-renew yabo. Okuchaza okubonakalayo kuphela ukuthi kuKaizer Chiefs uselelo yi-2 year contract. Usemu-ke iFar Post ilo announce ukuthi seyaconfirm ukuthi lo mdlali lona ngeke aphinde alibeke laphana eNaturena njengoba babuyile Friday for ilokhunjana for i-pre-season yabo, njengoba baplana for i-pre-season ukuya kuphi eNetherlands. So ama-players ayi-2 laphana ku-left back abhekiwe ukuthi bazowa-eda uShinga noMako yabo. So bathi-ke lesi space ukuthi bakhathi ngempela amanye ama-player abantu abazoloya le position labadlali laba basha, asazi ukuthi oCross bazoba kuphi-ke bafethu yabo. I-Kaizer Chiefs-ke isayine nomunye umdlalo obuya leni England okuthiwa-ke i-creative midfielder ekubhekwe nobo Silva ngathi uyi-striker uzokwazi ukuqeda inkinga zakuKaizer Chiefs ukuthi bangakwazi ukukora, and omunye obhekiwe ukuthi bazom-announce officially, and then kuno Igodora or Igadara, i-Nigerian striker. Specifically Ndlovu naye kune-chance ukuthi maybe angajoyina i-Kaizer Chiefs. So maningi ama-player expected ukuthi ajoyine i-Kaizer Chiefs, abanye kumele behambe ngempela njengoba ngimkhulume ngaye ulokhunjana uSem yabo. heading to i-new season laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, I think mina ama-stand-up players azobabhekiwe laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs uLilepo washayile amagoli, I think ushaya amagoli awu-6 but uthola isizini already seyiphakathi, so uLilepo uzobabheki ukuthi maybe ngaba iplayer elingashaya 10 goals plus yabo, libe nama-assist futhi afiwe laphana kusizini ye-Kaizer Chiefs, ngoba wuye umuntu obhekiwe ngempela ukuthi uzokusiza i-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi awashaye ama-opportunities noma awathathe mebawathola yabo. I think omunye singambheka laphana Augustin Sirino, one of the most creative guys laphana in recent years. I-dominance yakhe yaqala kuma-Mamelodi Sundowns, talent lakhe siyalazi but inhliziyo yakhe incane, but-ke mengalungisa nje izinto ezimbalwa uSirino ku-Kaizer Chiefs ngempela angakwazi ukubathwala abamele. Singakhohlwa ukuthi uneyinkinga-ke ne-SARS uSirino bafethu, ukuthi ukolota ama-million. Asazi ukuthi cause amanye ama-player mawaba nenkinga ne-SARS ethimini yakhona, e-countryni yakhona vele azihambele e-countryni yabo, but uSirino asazi ukuthi uzohlala noma uzokwazi ukusotha indaba yakhe ne-SARS yabo. I-SARS ngeke ikwazi imcindezele ku-career yakhe, or uzokwazi ukubhalansa afocus ebholeni, enze i-agreement ne-SARS ukuthi uzobakhokhela kanjani lama-millions abakoloda wona yabo. Elinye iplace esingalibheka laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs uMdu Shabalala bafethu. uMdu Shabalala iplayer laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs ngempela kumele liphakamise isandla, because possibly is one of the most talented guys ku-PSL, but-ke uthola i-team i-Kaizer Chiefs engana-confidence at the moment, so ngeke ukwazi ngempela ukumbona umfana ukuthi unani yabo. Mdu Shabalala is expected for mina bafethu ukuthi adlale, yazi nayo enye into engingayikhuluma, uMdu Shabalala ngabe unama-assist I think more than boma 10 assist kule season esibuya kuyo, but Kaizer Chiefs players abakori. uMdu Shabalala unokubashaya ngamaphasi amahle kakhulu, abakori yabo. Kaze uSilva lo kuthiwa uyi-striker uyo join i-Kaizer Chiefs eqalile ukujima nabo, kaze uzokwazi na if bazomsigna officially, because sometimes bayaletha i-player but it's subject to i-medical ukuthi usazotesta enze nezinye izinto, so bona ukuthi le player leli lizokwazi ukubasiza ngamagoli laphana phambili. Yena mhlambe noLilepo sobona ukuthi iliphi nelinye player, uDupreez sobona ukuthi uzodlala kuphi, but ama-player this is the biggest season ngempela, kumele balungise because uNabi unyaka wakho wokugcina laphana ku-contract. If bangadlala kahle uNabi maybe bangamnika i-renewal, basho ukuthi hayi coach, ngoba uthi ufuna ama-player wakho sakunika ama-player wakho, uprovile ngempela ukuthi ungakwazi ukuchange i-team, ukwazile ukuzichange izinto ethimini. Mawucoacha second season maybe bangamnika i-contract and futhi ba-renew bavele bamshaye nga-3 year contract ukuthi babonise ukuthi hayi bane-trust ku-coach Nabi yabo. Coach Nabi ke mele ngempela azame ukudlalisa, ukuthola ama-player wakhe, azame ukudlala ibhola le-right, azame ukuthi abafake at least ku-top 5 ku-PSL. That's the success. Akufani kuzoba ne-improvement from number 9 to top 5 yabo, but-ke we have to wait and see. Midfielder-ke laphana sibheke uCele bafowethu, uCele laphana e-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi okay angazama ukudictate izinto laphana ku-midfielder, but udinga nabantu abama-hard worker because yena uCele inayo i-passion yebhola kakhulu, but akekho good ekumakeni. Isikhathi esiningi uthola ama-unnecessary yellow cards mawubheka i-game model yakhe yabo. Akekho good ngokumaka, ugood ebholeni nokuhlanganisa lawo maphasi, but ukumaka bafowethu kuyamshaya-ke. Isikhathi esiningi nje mawushaya i-tackle or mayizama ukuthatha ibhola akupheli kahle isikhathi esiningi yabo. Ngifisa ngathi angaba nama-player azokwazi ukummakela around, noma emaka yena akwazi ukucover ama-spaces, but abe nama-players oma-assista ekumakeni because i-weak point yakhe, and then yena focus ngokudistribute ibhola kakhulu. Yusuf Martin lo report kuthiwa usesayine i-contract entsha ya 2 years, uzotravela ne-team but isobona. But bafethu njengoba lo before ngivala uSam lona ekuthiwa ushila i-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu, i-agent yakhe iyakuphika lokho ukuthi uSam akayishiyanga i-Kaizer Chiefs, kuthiwa uzotravela ne-Kaizer Chiefs aye eNetherlands. Asazi ukuthi kuyiqiniso, sesizolinda i-Kaizer Chiefs ikhiphe wonke ama-reports ukuthi obani abahambayo obani abahlalayo bafethu, sobona ukuthi izinto zizohamba kanjani lapha nemuva. I think they'll try and keep uNacho Miguel, uyi-hard worker, but-ke abanye ba-complaina nge-game model yakhe because i-Kaizer Chiefs emuva njalo ihlezi ba-exposed, like ama-defender wakhona they open too much space for ukuthi ama-midfielders aba-penetrate, but-ke we wait and see ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs izobhalansa kanjani kule season lena esiya kuyo. Danko bafowethu.